Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's video, we're going to be doing a weekly plan with me in my neutral every minute counts dated hourly dashboard planner. And yeah, so we'll be planning for the week of May 4th up to May 10th. So much to do. It's Mermaid May, and we're going to be using some more mermaid stickers. If you missed the monthly plan with me, I'll link it up above. You can grab this planner in print form at Amazon, and of course in digital at perspectiveplans.com. Use our code PLAN20 for 20% off, and thank you in advance for supporting a small business. But yeah, so we're going to keep using our mermaid stickers for the week. And I'm really liking the idea of Mermaid May to help me use all my, water stickers or under the sea looking stickers, because I hardly ever use them. So I figured the whole unofficial Mermaid May is going to help me use them. We have Cinco de Mayo, a leadership team meeting, Grown Up Gamers League at 6. I'm going to return my books to the library, and then a lunch date. Those are the main 3 things, and of course I might squeeze in a pedicure. But yeah, so let's get into planning for the week. Oh, I forgot about therapy and Pilates. So yeah, let's get to it, you guys. We're going to pop everything in. We don't have a payday this week, which is sad, but that's life. So we got therapy at 2. Let me see. Oh dear. Alright, therapy at 2. And I'm going to rip this out because I'm going to use the sticker too, just to get rid of the sticker sheet. And yeah, what else? We have Pilates at 6. Alright, so and I think we have a lunch date either Friday or Saturday. What day is that? Yeah, Saturday. What's on this other page? Yeah, here it is. Lunch date. Let's see if we have a meeting sticker. Research. Pilates at 6. So I'll pop that in right here. And then we did our therapy, which is good. What else do I need to do? I might go out to dinner for Cinco de Mayo, like everybody else and their dog, just to be basic. Alright, so we have a meeting at 8:30, and that meeting is usually crazy long because it's like our leadership team meeting. And I'm in leadership, which I love. Being a leader. Although sometimes it can be a bit exhausting, but for the most part, it's a good thing. Alright, what else do we need? Oh, Grown Up Gamers League. I'll do that too. Is it Wednesday, I think? Yeah. Wednesday at 6. And then we gotta return our library books, because the Gamers League is hosted by the library, which I think is so cool. Check out your local library for all kinds of cool, fun clubs and things of that nature in your area. It's really cool. And most of the time it's no cost. So it's just something to do. All right, I think those are the main things. So not too much to do. Oh, and I do need to get groceries this week. So we might do that on Sunday or Saturday, depending on how things are flowing and going. Oh, and we definitely had laundry. Lately, I've been liking doing my laundry on Friday evenings. Like just throwing the load in before I go have fun on Friday has been quite helpful for me. So, yeah. And then we'll clean up on Sunday before our YouTube video. What else do we have in here? I guess I can use a sticker. This week's priorities. Just to get rid of it. And then what else did we have? Oh yeah, planner sesh. I guess I could do a planner session after lunch with friends, because I'm sure we might do something after. Because sometimes stuff just happens spur of the moment, which is fine. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon, helping you plan for what's to come. What else we got? Oh, there's my grocery sticker. Oh dear. And then I plan on getting groceries before my video releases at like 3:15. I've been liking that new release time because it allows me to get other stuff done during the day. So yeah, I highly recommend it if you have a YouTube channel. So okay, it's a pretty good start. So now I'll add her here, and then I guess we'll use some more mermaid stickers. So nothing too crazy. Not a whole lot of plans, which is good, honestly, because that leaves room for spur of the moment or sporadic things. And I can use jumbo stickers like this. The ocean will be mine, because this sticker is pretty gigantic. And then we have Sea Witch. Trying to see if I have room for this, but I might not. I might be able to not shove it, force it in that area. Fate can be cruel. What else? Or maybe this one with the bird. What's the bird's name? I swear it's my favorite movie, but I have no idea the name of the bird. I know Sebastian and Scuttle. That's all I got. Is this? No, it's Flounder. The bird is Scuttle. Oh my lord. Okay. Am I gonna cover my therapy sticker? Okay, we're gonna put it very crooked, but it works. It works. Okay. Take a risk. Vibe with the tide. Let's see if we can add these. Take a risk. Where is this gonna go? I have no idea. I just grabbed it. Okay, take a risk. We'll put this here. And let's see. Where am I putting this? Oh, this can go here. Right there in a beautiful place. And we'll put this page out because we're finally done with the sticker page. So exciting. That can go there. And we still have a bit of room to add other stuff if we want. I do need to add some stuff there. Those empty boxes. But for the most part, our Mermaid May is off to a wonderful start. Let me know if you'll be participating in Mermaid May by adding, you know, sea creatures and all kinds of mermaid stickers that you may have gotten from your Happy Planner sticker books. But I know I definitely have them, and I've always wondered, like, what the heck am I going to use this for? But now I have a reason to use them. So that's a good thing. And then we have some sea stars. Not sea stars, what are these called? Is it a sea star? Yeah, Patrick Star Sea Star. Yeah, I think it is called a sea star. I don't know what I'm thinking. Oh, I'm thinking of a seashell. That's the problem. Maybe him. Oh, he's not even gonna fit, is he? We're just gonna overlap and let it be. Alright. Magic is something unique. Okay. I think this is it. A very quick plan with me. But I like how it came out, you guys. I really do. Thank you so much if you shopped our anniversary sale last month and even bought some 2026 planners. I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance for supporting a small business. And if you did buy something, leave a review because it helps other people know that the products we're making are awesome. And yeah, thanks for playing with me today, and I'll see you in the very, very next one. Have a great week, y'all. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.